Okay, so I was doing extreme testing between these two, Roborock Curv 2 Flow and the Yeedi M14. I had them clean my garage, and I found a surprising result. The Curv 2 Flow is easier to clean than the Yeedi. I thought it was going to be identical. They both, the Curv 2 Flow cleaned better. The mop pad stayed wet longer, on extreme testing on a garage floor that's going to absorb that water so quick. But there was I'm going to show you the shocking results I found. Now, both of them needed extensive cleaning during this extreme testing. I don't recommend doing this. This was for testing purposes only, but you can use them to clean your garage. I have a separate video where I show you how to set this up to clean your garage. But during this test, I found the Roborock Curv 2 Flow is easier to clean than the Yeedi M14. Let me show you. Okay, here's how the Yeedi is mopping this concrete. It like overlaps, it like mops the same place twice almost.
Roller mop is released.
Right there's the button, yeah.
Roller mop removed.
This was an extreme test, keep in mind. But I have a lot of cleaning to do inside the robot. Yeah, and I can't lift this up. I have to clean all of that. Oh, I can take this out, okay. But I still have a lot of cleaning to do back here. So that is a major difference between the Roborock. I did this extreme test out in my garage, and it doesn't need cleaned places I can't get to. This needs cleaned. I have to clean down in the robot. Not a ton, but some. And again, this doesn't move up. This comes out and this comes off. But for extreme cleaning, I've got to figure out how to clean in there. The stuff, everything came out and the mop roller came up, which I am going to show you. Now it does overlap maybe a little bit, but not that bad. Yeah, it does overlap about half. Maybe a little less than half. Okay, the Curv is done. It went right into a drying mode. Whoa. That's... Now, did we clean the scraper? It needs some help. I gotta give it a little help. I can do another wash, but it's just as easy to take it out.
Roller mop removed.
Take this out.
Dirty water channel removed.
It's not too bad a shape. There is quite a bit of sediment in there. All right, I need to clean that. Now, as bad as that may have looked, it's designed to be worked on. So what I'm happy with, the parts, yeah, did this need, I rinsed that out real quick. Did that need rinsed out? But I don't have any damage inside here. I don't have anything I got to clean around here. So it's actually, she keeps going in and out. She hates me talking. It's designed to be cleaned. I like it. Miss Fiona. Now, this also needs just a quick rinse, but again, you can see the extreme test I did on this. So you can see Roborock definitely has it going on with the base station's a little easier to clean. The robot's definitely easier to clean. This one, I'm getting ready to take it to back to the studio. It's leaving my house. I've absolutely loved it. All I'm debating now is whether it gets a gold standard or not. I've got to do a little bit more testing here at home, but I'm getting ready to do the 3-month test, 3-month results where I take it back, clean it, empty the dustbin. I do wish the dust bag had a little different design. It's pretty full right now, but no, I love the Roborock Curv 2 Flow. It's an amazing robot. I've got lots of videos on it. Check out my final scores coming really soon, but I wanted to just do a quick video to show you there's a huge difference between cleaning the Yeedi M14. Now, this is a robot that costs a little bit less, but big difference, which I hopefully was able to show you. Again, check out my website, justadadapproved.com. If you purchase this robot off of my website or in this video, the product's not going to cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. It's a way of helping support my channel. Again, thanks everybody. This is Home of the Honest Review. I want to get you the best robot at the best price. I don't want you wasting your hard-earned money on a bad robot. Yeedi M14, not a bad robot. There's just better robots. Even the Mova P10 Pro Gen 2 or the original P10 Pro is better than the Yeedi M14. Look for this 3-month real-world test video too, where I'm going to give it my final score. Maybe an approve, but wait for a deal. That's kind of where I'm leaning to.